Laser Super Silk Lashes. It's a game changer in lash industry. Using laser technology, Laser Super Silk has laser-cut indentations with consistent diameters. It has all the key features of traditional super silk. Both are crafted from Korean PBT fiber and are ultra-soft, ultra-lightweight, deep black, and semi-matte. Besides, Laser Super Silk offers enhanced features. Laser Super Silk offers 30% longer retention due to tiny indentations that enhance the bonding surface for stronger adhesion. Laser technology doesn't affect any fanning techniques. Laser Super Silk also works well with all adhesives, regardless of their viscosities. It is easy to attach with no sliding off. Contact us to get samples. Laser Lash, a game changer for your lash business. Thank you for watching.